What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we are introducing the all-new Turin grinder, the ZF83. So this is an 83 millimeter grinder, which is going to be the first Turin grinder that's able to be used in a commercial setting. So today we're going to briefly do an overview on this unit, and then we'll do more in-depth in separate videos to come. So we're just going to go over a couple cool features of the grinder, and we're going to start with the tray at the bottom. So this is the beans collector tray. Does exactly what it says, is it collects all of the grinds like so, which makes it super easy to just disconnect, dump it into your trash, and then it actually clicks right back in. So very convenient, especially if you're a busy cafe, you want to keep everything nice and clean. Just remove that, dump it out, pop it back in, super clean. Then we're going to go to an adjustable portafilter fork. So there actually screws on the side here. You just unscrew that and then it lowers and raises as you would need it for your portafilter. Right now it's perfectly for my portafilter, where it's just going to hold it perfect and you don't have to worry about holding it as it's grinding directly into your portafilter. So we're also going to talk about the magnetic chute. So this actually comes straight out like so. And this is just going to make it super easy when you're at the end of your shift. You can take this out, clean it, and then pop it right back in. Super easy to go back in, just like so. And it just makes for easy cleaning at the end of your shift, so you're not having grind stuck into your chute. Then you're going to have a nice LED display screen. And as you see, the Turin logo is moving. But if you tap that, it actually wakes the screen up. And you have multiple different options on this display. So on this display, you have 3 different buttons that you can choose from. You have a single button, a double shot button, and a manual button. So the single shot and double shot can be desired on your time. So this is a grind by time grinder, which means you select the amount of time and it will grind for that amount of time into your portafilter. So there's a couple easy ways to figure it out. I always suggest overdosing a little bit if you can, and then take the desired dose amount divided by how much you got, and then that's going to tell you if that's the perfect grind size. That'll tell you exactly how much time you need for that extraction. So if you look on the screen, it also gives you a couple of different cool features. It gives you the humidity of the beans, it gives you the outside temperature, and it gives you the fan logo on there, the icon. So if the grinder gets too hot, it'll actually kick on the fan to where it keeps the internal bean temperature at bay. And then it also keeps it from getting too hot, so that way your grinder in a busy setting can perform as it needs to, pulling back-to-back shots of espresso. Also listed on the display is the date and the time, which is kind of cool if you want to take a picture of it at the end of the day, because it gives you your shot totals. So it gives you the day, the week, and then the totals of each the single and the double shot buttons. So one really cool thing about this grinder is it is pretty clean, because it does have a plasma generator included inside the unit, to where it's pretty much reduces a ton of static that you would have if you didn't have the plasma generator installed. A couple key points that I want to mention before we close this video as a brief introductory of our new machine is it does have a huge hopper. I believe it's 3.5 pounds that it can hold. So if you're in a busy cafe, it's just going to really reduce the amount of times that you have to refill the hopper. It's got a really nice switch here to where you can just close that, remove the hopper, so that way you can get rid of the grinds that are in your hopper and you don't have to actually open the whole unit up in order to remove the grinds. It's got a nice easy dial to really fine tune your espresso shots. If you're familiar with our lineup already, it's very, very similar to the adjustment of the DF83, and that is actually one that we've been selling for a long time. So super easy to dial in, very nice big hopper. It's got a really nice and bright LED display, magnetic chute that comes out, nice adjustable portafilter holder, a nice bean tray to where you can make for easy cleaning, And it's also got the internal fans built into the unit itself. It's a nice sleek design, not too wide, not too long, especially if you take this off, if you have a smaller space and you have, let's say, your knock box in front of the grinder, it just makes it to where it's very easy to fit into your setup. So, and I'll just go ahead, before we close up the video, I'll just take my portafilter and I'll grind into the portafilter just so you can see it work on camera. All right, so super nice and fluffy grinds, as you can see inside of the portafilter. Does a very good job of directing it right into the center to where you just have to just tap it a little bit with your hands, go ahead and distribute and tamp, and you are all set to go. So again, this is the all-new Turin ZF83, now available at Espresso Outlet, and it is intended for commercial use. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this, and if you want to see this grinder in action in a mobile coffee trailer. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet. This is our brand new Turin ZF83, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.